A few days ago, we had one of the craziest bait stories I've ever had unfold live on the stream. While you're watching these events, remember, I only did all of this because I wanted him to get off the phone. I was trying to move on to another type of scam and I didn't want him calling me while I was talking to another scammer. But as all of the chaos was happening, I realized this may be the dumbest scammer I've ever talked to. It had me questioning if the scammer was actually believing it, and to this day, I'm still not sure if he believed it or if he was just playing with me. Let me know in the comments what you think. There's a heavy police presence in this video and a funeral is being planned. If you want to watch these calls unfold live, follow me on Twitch. The link will be in the description below. Like, comment, and enjoy.
This one-time fee that they're requiring here on the documents in order to get things done, that is only a balance of only $7,000, okay?
I can do that.
Can you go to the bank and do a wire transfer, or can you write a check?
Whatever is easy for you.
You know how to go to the bank and tell them you want to do a wire transfer to this account and they will have it done, right?
Right.
That made me happy because with them going for 7,000, they're gonna. Well, we don't have to worry about gift cards.
I'm about to be there.
All right. So when you go there, you're going to just go inside and tell them you need a cashier's check.
Okay. I'm pulling in. I gotta get to the parking lot first.
Okay.
I'm here.
When you get out of the bank, you just let me know, okay?
All right. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
No, I have the cashier's check for $7,000.
All right, just go straight to the post office and let me know when you're at the post office, okay?
All right. Just give me,
Yeah.
I don't know, 3 minutes.
Okay, baby girl, take your time. I'm here in the car with you, sweetie, okay?
All right.
Oh.
I'm here.
All right, just go to the post office and buy 2 envelopes and get 2 stamps, and then you come back in the car, okay?
I have the envelope and the stamps.
And then you're going to write the name and the address on it, okay? Right,
Oh,
so
I'm
do you
getting-
have like 20
I'm
to
getting
because it's
Oh,
going to...
it's my sister's calling.
No,
Let me
don't-
get her off the phone real fast. It won't take but just a minute. Hey, Andy.
Yes, sweetheart.
Andy. So my sister said that this is a scam. I don't
sweetheart.
like this. I don't like this. I almost sent you $7,000 doing this.
This is not
Doing this.
sweetheart. Not a
I'm
scam.
not doing
Hello?
it. I can hear you.
This is not a scam, sweetheart. This is your 9.5 million you won,
That's
and
exactly
that's why I told
what a
you to keep
scammer
your...
would say. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm going home. I've had enough of this. I'm going home.
Hello?
I'm going home. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
How dare you try to steal money from me?
No, sweetheart. It's nothing like
No, I
that.
don't, but she said Publishers Clearinghouse don't call people like that.
No, sweetheart. Remember, you won this $9.5 million,
I just
sweetheart.
hit somebody. Damn it, I gotta go.
Huh?
I just hit somebody.
You just hit somebody?
Yes. I gotta turn around. I'm going the long way home. I can't believe, mister, you would steal money from people like that.
No, that's not what I'm trying to do, sweetheart. We're here to get this done. That's why I told you to keep your business confidential.
Hold on, I got a oh no. Oh no.
Hello,
there's
sweetheart.
the police. Oh no. Oh no, oh my goodness. I'm here. Are you there?
Yeah, what happened? What is happening?
I crashed into somebody and I don't have insurance, so I didn't stop. Oh,
Oh,
no, they're shooting at me.
they're shooting at you?
Yes, I think I heard a gunshot. Are you there?
I'm here. You're heading home?
Yes, I'm trying to go home.
They're after you?
Yes. I don't
Where are you?
know
They're
if
still
I should
after
pull
you?
over. I'm on Del Perro Freeway.
They're still after you?
Yes.
How many cars?
It looks like just one. Oh, there's one in front too. Oh, shit.
Oh, two of them?
Yes.
So what? They stop you?
No, they didn't stop me. They didn't stop me yet. They're trying, but they didn't stop me yet. Oh, shit. Oh, there's a helicopter
Hello?
now. There's a helicopter.
Yeah, pull over, sweetheart. Pull over. Don't let they hurt you.
I can't pull over now. I'm too far in this.
How far are you from?
Hold on, let me get this one. I'll go up here. Oh, they're yelling at me. I don't know what they said.
And they're still after you, right?
Yes, all I see is the helicopter right now, though. I can take him out real quick. Let me do this. I'll do that. Right there. Oh, I missed. Wait a second. I'll do that one. I missed again. There we go. Oh, there's two more helicopters. That's that one. That one there. This one up here. There we go. I don't see any more. Don't see any more. I think I got away. Are you there?
I'm there, sweetheart. Where are you?
I got off the road. I'm just gonna let them
They're
take
still
me. I can't do this no more.
No, pull over and
I'm
let they
right
stop you,
here.
baby. I don't want...
Right here, you're missing me. Over here. I'm sorry. They're coming up. Hold on. I'm not moving.
There's no actual way he just believed all of that. Because he kept talking to me and he was like coaching me, telling me to pull over.
I was just letting you know, that, you can call me now. I got in a little bit of trouble. Call me back. Bye-bye.
Where are you?
I'm back in my car now. They drove me back to my car.
Oh, so they didn't arrest you, right?
Well, they gave me, so they said felony evading, leaving the scene of an accident. What was the other one? It's on this paper. Destruction of government property, murder, reckless driving with bodily harm, failure to stop, brandishing a weapon, and the window tint is too dark. Are you there?
Hold on, you think got him? Oh, so did they took your gun?
Yes, they went through the car. They took the gun.
They was-
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here, sweetheart. Yeah, so where are you now? Can you head to the post office right now, sweetheart, okay?
All right.
Yeah, let me know when you're at the post office and don't take any phone calls, okay?
All right.
For him to actually keep this bait going, knowing it's wasting his time, would be just, it wouldn't be something that he would actually do. Like, he, at this point, he has to know this is a waste of time. He has to. So what is he trying to do now?
I'm here.
Okay, do you have the envelope?
Oh, the envelope. Yes, my car's a little bit of a mess. I found the envelope. Oh, it's got a bullet hole in it. No, the bullet went clean through the cashier's check. It went clean through it. Is it still good?
So you said the bullet went through the check? They
Yes.
shoot the check?
Yes, they shot the check. I don't think they meant to. I think they were aiming for me, but they shot because
But
I
I
was
told
a
you to
moving
stop
target.
shooting at the police officers.
I didn't hear you.
I told shoot at them. Sweetheart, why are you still shooting at them?
I'm not shooting at them no more. It's all done. They let me.
You wanna shoot up?
They let me go.
You're gonna have to get a new check. Can you go to the bank and get a different check? Just take the check to the bank. Tell them you made a mistake and you shot the checks, and tell them to give you a new check. Okay? Hello.
I'm here. I'm at the bank.
So you said a bullet hole is in the check?
Yes.
And the police shoot. Oh my God! I told you stop shooting at the police officer, and they were shooting at you. And you keep shooting at the captor.
They shot at me first, darling. I did not antagonize that. They did that first. I have the other check.
All right, you just let me know when you're at the post office, and don't take any phone calls, not even your sister, okay?
All right.
Yes, the bank has an envelope, right?
Right.
Leave the check and go and get 2 envelopes.
Bring the check in 2 envelopes.
No, don't bring the check with you. Leave the check in the car and just head to the post office. Tell them you need 2 envelopes and 2 stamps, and then you head back in the car, okay?
If he hangs up whenever I say, am I mailing this check to Jamaica? That would kind of tell me that he just believed everything that we did. But if he starts joking or something, that would say that he didn't believe it from the start. I don't know. I have no idea what's going through this guy's head.
All right. I have the envelope.
You have the name and the address?
It's in there. Yes, was it Montego Bay or Kingston that it's being mailed to?
Huh?
Was it Montego Bay or Kingston that it was being mailed to?
No. Where did you get that from?
It's going to Jamaica, right?
No. Where did you get that from?
I thought you said Jamaica.
No. It's you remember that address?
I thought it was Montego. All right, I
No.
misunderstood you.
Oh, where is Montego Bay?
That's Jamaica. I went there on vacation one time.
I need to make me a vacation there. And you have the name and address, right?
You should make a vacation there. It is wonderful.
All right, write the address on it and let me know when you're finished. And don't take any phone calls, even if this is your mother, your father, your sister, your brother. Don't take any phone calls, okay?
Well, the investigator that I had to talk to said he was going to be calling me. But he hasn't called me yet.
Okay,
If it's an investigator, I have to answer.
Just put the phone down and go there and let them know you want to do an overnight express mail to your niece, okay? And let they have it sent overnight express mail. They're going to give you back a receipt, and then you just get back in your car, okay?
Ow, my arm is hurting. What is it? They shot me in my arm.
It drained you?
No, it went right through it. Just like it did with the check. Oh my goodness. I got a hole going through my arm.
All right, just make it to the post, have it sent off, and then you make it to the hospital,
Let me go to the
okay?
hospital. I'll call you back. Bye-bye.
No, sweetheart.
Jesus Christ. I give up. I just absolutely give up, bro. I'm blocking this guy.
Oh,
Hey, is this Alice's grandson?
yeah.
Okay, this is Dr. Hartman at the South Cambria American Medical Hospital. I'm calling to inform you that Alice has unfortunately passed away due to a gunshot wound in her scapula. I'm sorry to let you know like this, but
Pardon?
I'm calling to inform you that Alice has passed away due to a gunshot wound in her scapula.
Passed away?
Yeah, we tried for many seconds, but she slipped away peacefully, at least at 11:52 a.m.
So you said this is Dr. Who?
Dr. Hartman at the South Cambria Medical Hospital. She did ask that that you would be her emergency contact, and her dying wish was to mail this check to you.
Mail what check?
Well, she handed a check whenever we took her belongings as she was changing so we could operate, and she just said that if she goes, her last wish is to mail some check to you. So we can get that in the mail now, but we may need you to come and identify the body.
Oh, that will be okay.
Okay. Stay by. We will probably have the information desk call you to give you the information, and we will, like I said, I'm sorry to tell you like this, but we will be in touch shortly. Was it believable enough? What am I saying, bro? We just ran from the police, shot police helicopters, and got in a shootout with the cops, and I'm asking if that was believable enough.
Please leave a message and someone will return your call as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hi, this is Amanda with the South Cambria American Medical Hospital. I'm just calling you to fulfill a last wish. If you could just give me a call back on this number, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
The party you are trying to reach is unavailable. Please leave a message and someone will return your call as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hey, Mr. Margot. I believe the information desk from the hospital just called you. They're just trying to get some information. If you could just give them a call back. Thank you.
Please leave a message and someone will return your call as soon as possible. Thank you.
This is Robert Jakovsky calling from Look Alive Mortuary. We're just trying to get in touch with you to see if you would like to have Alice's body donated to Puffin Stuff's taxidermy services, cremation, or a full burial service. Just give me a call back and let me know what the family's wishes are. Thank you.
So Alice took the scammer on a police chase, got in a gunfight with the police, and died. It baffles me to think that the scammer may have actually believed everything, but I can't say for sure. Maybe he thought he was wasting my time, maybe he really thought Alice was the better half of Bonnie and Clyde. Either way, I had so much fun messing with this scammer. As a side note, I've moved on to the tech support and refund scammers. This was pretty much the icing on the cake for me and PCH. While I will visit them in the future, I get bored only messing with PCH, and I'm finally moving on. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to the future with you. It's Takeout. I'll see y'all.